Do you know with a 1-year MBA in India, you can get a salary of 34 lakhs per annum? Yes, you heard it right. It's possible with ISB PGP program. Now, based on your work experience, you can apply to ISB in 3 different ways. First way is to apply through ISB PGP program where you require minimum 2 years of work experience. The second way is to apply through an ISB EEO program, which is an early entry option. The students who have completed their graduation and have joined their workplace and have less than 2 years of experience can go through an early entry option. The third way is through YLP, which is a Young Leaders Program. The student who are in their pre-final or the final year can apply through an YLP program, gain minimum 20 months of experience and join the PGP cohort. These are the 3 different ways to apply to ISB PGP program. In this video, we are going to discuss about the ISB YLP. ISB YLP is a 3-stage application process. In the first stage, you need to fill up an application form and you need to complete one essay of 300 words. First stage has typically 2 rounds. The first round is in October and the second round is in March. Once you clear the stage 1, you move to the stage 2, which has a deadline in August. In stage 2, you have to submit 3 key components, which is your GMAT score, second, an evaluation form, which is basically a letter of recommendation, and the third one is essay of 300 words again. So this is the most critical stage in ISB YLP program. Let us break down these 3 components and discuss about it. The first component is your GMAT score. GMAT is very crucial for your application. It showcases your analytical, quantitative, and verbal skills. Make sure you are preparing thoroughly for your GMAT, and also make sure that you are scoring minimum of a 90 percentile on your GMAT Focus Edition, which will be close to 655. The second component is an evaluation form. Evaluation form is basically a letter of recommendation, and you would require one in your ISB YLP application. You can take it from either your academic background or the professional background. You need to choose your recommender wisely. You need to choose someone who can vouch on your achievements as well as your key skills. The third crucial component is your essay of a 300 word. Let us see the topic below. The essay prompt is, how would you describe your ideal career? Have you identified the skills that you would need to acquire to accomplish it? How does ISB play a role for you to realize your ideal career? Now, how to answer this? You can describe your ideal career. Start by painting a clear picture of your dream career. Be specific about the industry, role, and impact you want to make. Second, identify necessary skills. Identify the key skills that you need to succeed in this career. This could include technical skill, leadership skills, strategic thinking, etc. Reflect on your current skill set and highlight the areas you need to develop. Now, what is the role of ISB? Finally, you need to explain how ISB will help you acquire these skills. Talk about specific courses, faculty, peer interaction, and opportunities as ISB that will be instrumental in your growth. Remember, your essay is personal and authentic. It's your opportunity to showcase the admission committee who you are, what drives you, and how ISB will fit into your career journey. Once you finish these 3 components and submit your application, upon selection, you move to the third stage, which is interview. Interview usually happens from mid of September till November, and in December, you finally get your results for your ISB YLP program. Once selected, you join the PGP cohort after completing 20 months of experience. So this was all about ISB YLP program. In case you need any help with the application, feel free to reach out to us. We would be happy to support you. Thank you so much.